parity code. Parity code is actually of two types. We have an even parity and we have an odd parity. We take this only example. Now what is an even parity or what is an odd parity? Say for example, what is the actually concept of parity? Parity means is parity bit or parity code. In our data that we are sending, append to the data a bit that is called the parity bit. Okay. So whatever the data actually we are sending, we append a parity bit. If it's an even parity, so data plus parity bit, total number of ones we make as even. And if it is an odd parity, so we make total number of ones make odd. Say for example, this was our data. Now to this data we append a parity bit. So if it is a case of an even parity, so total number of ones is 1 1, that is 2, and 2, that is 4. This is data plus parity, number of ones has to be even, 4 is there, so we'll make it a 0. This is even parity. If it is an odd parity, so it has to be because you can check this is 1 2 3 4 4 was there, total number of ones has to be odd, so we append a 1. Total number of ones is 5, that is odd. Now in the transmission again we'll take the case that second bit has got flipped, single bit error. So the data that was received is, or in this case now the parity that we are using is known to both the sender and the receiver. Either both must be using even or both must be using odd. Now in case both are using even, so now you can see the receiver receives and it checks the parity that has become odd. Number of ones that was sent was 4 or even, here it is 3. Parities got disturbed. Here you can see 1, odd parity was sent, even it has become. Here there is an error. So receiver knows that data has been corrupted, so it discards the data. Now another common problem is, say suppose like if you say like what happens if 2 bits got flipped or 3 bits got flipped. So then it cannot be detected because parity is a code that can detect at most 1 bit error, or rather putting it frankly, it can detect odd number of errors, and that too it cannot identify exactly which place the error has occurred. Like over here if you see, if say suppose during transmission first 2 bits got flipped, so now receiver receives, it checks though, okay, it says parity is even still, it cannot detect the error has occurred. So for that we have the codes that are called error correcting codes.